All right, folks, welcome to okay. For today, we're going to do one of my favorite new variations for kind of like glute posterior training. You don't see my lower body here, but this is going to be a burner. Okay, and again, this is just going to be 3 exercises that we're going to do for anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds each. All right, so I'm going to do the first circuit with you. Now, I want you guys to follow along. So everybody's probably familiar with the shoulder elevated thrust. What we do is perform this exercise on your toes. All right, so this is super killer. So it's going to require some finesse. So if you can't do this on a bench, you could put your back on the ground as well, but this is it's going to be pretty tough. So here we go. So we're going to just start on one leg, all right, for 30 seconds. So come down, come up, and again, I just want you pushing through your big toe. All right, if you do this right, after about 15 seconds, you feel like your butt's going to fall off. All right, and adjust my problem. All right, so we've got about 10 seconds to go. Starting to really feel the fatigue and the burn, and again, stay up on your toes. That's going to be one of the hardest parts. So definitely clear your calves with this as well. If you can't do that, again, come to the ground. Okay, and we're just going to switch sides here. So again, I'm going to be up on my toes on the other side here, and again, we're just going to come up and down. So one thing that you'll notice is that you're going to want to kind of really cramp in your calf, and that's okay. That just means that one side might be a little bit weaker than the other side. They're both going to benefit greatly. Feel free to rest as needed or go to the ground. But again, think about moving kind of fast on the way up, hold for a second, and then slow on the way down, but just keep the weight in that toes. Okay, so last exercise here. All right, we're up on our toes on double legs here, and we're just pushing. Okay, we've got 30 seconds here. We're almost there. Up on those toes. Push, push, push. 5 seconds. And rest. Good. All right, now I recommend repeating that circuit anywhere from 3 to 5 times. Again, you'll find next day your butt is going to be flexible. So give that a go. Again, go to the ground.